This alone, me not lift up with it and you not get none.
Martel.
Okay.
Adventure TV. I
That
can
is
do it.
Yeah. Cut up pepper in a fish.
No, nice swimmer way.
The first set of fish them this me see a cook will come out water.
Yes, they look good.
Michael say always I make them mash out.
You want can drink me so?
You done shaking.
Can drink me.
Wanda?
Can drink me.
See the menu here today? This is lovely.
If you got me, that I'm going to Zion.
Where?
That you can't enter Zion.
When you shear it properly and it look mucky so you know say flavor turn up in it today. See if the food don't look so, you know you eat good. I tell you that.
Straight. Right on the front here.
I start the control again.
Start the control again. Steam down some fish with some carrot. You see what we have?
How much carrot that you have?
Not 2 this time. one sweet pepper. And what can now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Irish. You say Irish and 3, 2 sweet. See there? You see? I watch enough people. So a man bring that thing.
The secret ingredient.
Secret ingredients and quiet. This is how we bring it in though. I'm not bad for the challenge about Rasta. You use too much butter. A Martel Kite know that it means I know what is the secret
Gold
ingredient.
seal butter.
The gold seal butter.
Golden brand. Oh, golden brand.
Golden brand.
Yeah. Secret ingredient, man.
Secret ingredient.
Martel, you bring a secret ingredient, come get
You
Rasta.
hide and watch me.
Like golden brand butter, man.
Yeah, can you hide and watch me? I never know. So
The piece of butter, yeah, man.
Butter.
Yeah.
You laugh. You say hide and bring it in though, General.
Tell you, man.
Alright, so if people can't say Rasta can't know butter this time and more higher.
But you know, say you need it, so you bring it.
Yeah.
So you can't blame him.
No, the butter have to go in
Yes,
that
fish I did that stuff.
swim away.
Oh, you learn.
Learn, swim away. With me. Yo, back at night.
Shut a vlog, man.
Yeah, but yo back when night come on there. Right. No, yo, yourself.
Rasta, like how you clean up them fish there.
No, me not clean no fish. Don't tell nobody to be a clean fish. Swim away, Rasta. You don't know it. You hear a feet talk when they be like Rasta, line up your clean. Swim away, I'm looking about today.
Yeah, so you clean up fish.
Him? Me don't know about that part where I talk about, you know. Me not clean up fish.
Where is so go over Rasta yard.
Where? Him?
Look one.
This look one.
Him.
Man,
Come over here.
speed that. Give me one.
Go on the camera. Come.
One of me give a little than him, you know?
Little and pretty on him though.
Yeah, man, pretty too.
You must pretty on him.
So yes, what kind of style to the fits?
I want to know Rasta give if you roast them or what.
Roast the Rasta.
We are steam them down.
Alright.
Yeah, you know some. What I call it now? Gumption style with coconut milk.
What? That sound bad.
The coconut milk that we like to call gumption. You know, man.
So curry are going to that too?
Alright. Oh, you know some.
Oh God, man. Oh God.
You know what I'm going, and that we call it, yo.
You don't have to say nothing more, Rasta.
Them the days when
Just hurry up and clean up them fish
Alright,
there.
and that we are do.
Yeah, and that you do. Alright.
No, the fish we are clean up. As soon as we are clean up. No, when I try to jam you out today for the channel, you know. Today Wednesday, you know. That's how we Rasta clean.
Our time, Rasta. The crowd soon take on them for a little fish area.
Then can't man it, then I'm going to last go can drop on the crowd.
Last go, Michael fish there.
On the crowd. Nobody else. Got 4 hours upon the app.
Michael fish there.
Right. No. What swim away there for Michael?
Oh.
Forward.
Right.
No fish around here. You must go somewhere else go look for fish.
Alright.
I'm going to take the time out and big up who did bless me upon the earth strong though.
You hear me?
Yeah, man, that is it.
Yeah.
Man. Whole heap of love and blessings.
All those shout out to Michael too. We are represent on the behalf of him because he's not here today.
Yeah.
Thank you. Respect to all of you
Forward.
for the big up there.
I see the road that come around. That is massive. And I know that what? Big
Big
Mike.
Mike.
And I'm give that name there, you know, Siva and Big Mike. Man, say, Rasta, how will you find them name there?
All that you drink, Martel, bring the buckle come and see that way I be, man.
No, bring no back, go there, nobody.
What you mean, though, bring the buckle?
We should do a little free promotion instead of cheap back.
Ah, man, we have to beat it regular. You see, we have beat it on the riverside where there. Red stripe?
Alright.
Yeah, just check we out. The mango beer there, bad, man.
Yeah, nice. Which taste it tastes like?
No mango, but we don't know which one I mango them.
Which one it taste like?
No, me no know. Me no know.
Rasta, which one it taste
Actually,
like?
now when I talk about mango,
Yo,
Rasta say it tastes like Julie mango.
I tell you that. You tell them like, me they are scrape swim away.
Listen, how am I smart this one?
Me they are scrape swim away. You are content to Rasta say it tastes like Julie. I never tell you no. Julie the run a Carnegie bomb.
Oh, no mind smart this one.
That's not my mind.
What is something taste like?
That. What kind of that you tell Rasta about? Me don't like that thing, you know.
The flavor
flavor?
beer, what it tastes like?
That. A mango beer is
No, what it tastes like?
What it tastes like?
Yeah.
You don't know what it tastes like.
Rasta dumb.
You
You don't know what we say.
don't know if you tell yourself.
People, Rasta say it tastes like
You
Julie.
know most mango beer?
Julie mango, Rasta say it tastes like. He just
Never
afraid
tell
to
about
say
nothing
it.
about Julie. I just said Julie live around a Carnegie bomb.
Fiddly. The Rasta say where you go to. This man where you go to fast.
Rasta say, yo, that look one they're supposed to nice, you know.
Yeah.
All in seeds supposed to sweet. Me don't know why,
know
man.
that.
Me?
Yeah.
When me I go stay and know that?
Thing I cut up and boil in a managed water. You never know that.
Feed everybody.
Feed everybody on the road. Oh, far road is like this. And the little sit when they call you a inug.
No.
Yeah. Some people wanna really eat all of that?
Everything. Are you eat it too?
No, brother.
Like you are there.
No.
You love it.
Rasta, I
What you mean?
Watch Rasta. Some see my hand and I come see you. I take out the nook.
All right.
Rasta, I don't eat that.
That. With that you eat on regular. Why do you wonder y'all I can tell people about if me no want to taste it I best part of me say you lick your head. You lick your chip, man.
Yes, sir, I left one of them for Michael.
Where how far him just call a while ago?
In the Whoop Road, him in there.
Yeah, by the time you reach Portland, man.
See budget, sir. Budget is promise you a cook there, fiddly.
Oh, yes. Come in. Come in.
It's promise you a cook there.
Cook me like what? Cook food?
Yeah. You say
Talk to it.
one budget entertainment.
You're afraid I camera like puss.
That's all the man say. One budget entertainment
No,
around,
the
God.
man tell me last week the rest time I cook some curry chicken for we.
When?
Me not really want it.
No.
Must say
Last time I cook some in a rasta.
run on the belly.
You see what I want? About 3 pounds of chicken.
Yeah.
I'm going to give him about 3 pack of curry. So she and he use little out of one. Rasta can hear white is soot
Mm.
and nothing can do it, man.
I said, no.
No.
Quarter pack of curry man use.
Yeah.
How with that?
And the zinc them I go up on the roof.
Want it, Rasta?
No, at the echo.
How do you think? A earthquake or a shot?
The echo.
Zinc.
It's ready for run.
Yes, run. That's what me mad do.
Yeah.
Oh, Rasta. Cut up the fish good though.
No, man, I swim away. I'm a Rasta did. Don't tell.
Rasta.
Everything.
You are as a Rasta now. You should never make him a convert or try to.
But he can't convert me.
Remember,
Me I deal with swim away.
I live it with the deals as
I
Rasta.
swim me as this come out as
Should make
sea.
him a change the name.
Him can't change my him know where I come with. Always see my try to do. He just behind camera.
But Uno was the Rasta try
Uno?
to change the name.
Yeah, hiking all.
Hiking and Young King and Hung King.
So the hiking the man then go.
Which
And
hiking?
the young king then go. A hyper then go.
A pumpkin, how we can't find.
Which
Look
part
for
of
Young
that
King in
pumpkin?
a dictionary.
When they say, yo my girl, your pumpkin a grow. What you mean? That is the pumpkin.
So the fruit hour.
Eh?
The fruit hour.
Young king.
No, sir, look for that in a dictionary.
How it look?
What look between us, see
I
there?
can't afford from seaside
Just
Rasta.
a comfort I see.
God, man.
See it, clean and pretty.
Beer fish in
See
a
it,
Rasta.
look at all
And
them. Now swim away in a man.
see that, people?
See there? See, I swim away
Rasta push
Rasta
him
was.
finger and I fish them mouth.
See there? See there? Well, look, swim away them. See them there people. Watch them style there.
Yeah.
Mad.
Ready.
Ready. Clean. And prosperity.
Put a finger in the next fish them out.
This one, in all finger in I try them already.
You know?
All finger in I swim away about them.
Rasta, you look about you guys.
You know that there? All finger, one hand about the swim away them now. See there? Mad.
Yeah, ready.
Ready
I
to
throw out the
go.
water for you, Rasta.
It's like fish season.
What kind of season?
Yes, you
Fish.
want-
Alright.
salt, Rasta?
Yeah, man.
Yes, you want salt?
There's salt nothing in this
You know
one.
them has me royal salt.
Alright.
No, you don't need no more salt. A salt, let him throw point already.
Rasta, fiddly, I tell me say.
Wash it.
Season salt, them big in it.
Watch her now.
Rasta, listen,
One
man.
curry.
Listen, man, Rasta. Fiddly. I tell me, say, when you play a beat deep a rum. And you buy some chicken, say, man, go in.
Which part?
Down and here, go cook. The man saying, salt, it's a chicken and taste, you have to abandon the pot, man.
Rasta, I don't know how I go on like me. Me a pour heavily that night, then me I tell you when me season the piece. I come carry the chicken and me I say, you know what? A one piece out type me I do, the leg. And season this.
Yeah.
But boy, though me season the leg, man, me season it like I whole 2 pounds me a season.
So me ask you a question.
Salt your fret.
Where could I cause that?
You know, I
You can't
good
know.
old aisle. Right
What
now, if you
kind
have
of
to go check with man.
You better go down and make them pay for all of them things that we do wrong, you know. Ram never, you know, because them is the problem, man. Because that and you. Because that's you see it and you're talking about salt. I use quarter pound of salt and see the one chicken leg. You know, kill off yourself, man.
Corn leg.
Eh? A corn leg, you look.
Corn chicken.
I don't know if a chicken they call that down there, you know.
You know, like corn pork, man.
You see him thing again? You see me, I show you? The devil you start. Watch a little puppy one day.
Reach
You know.
back there, sir.
Oh, you see?
A puppy there, a puppy there. Oh,
You don't want to lie. You don't want to lie. Yeah, it's higher to talk to you about than a part of the world. You're not learning with the devil. You just keep the devil to yourself. What's the next one? Yeah, man. You see something that's well nice and proper.
Yeah, man, bust the next one for you, man, now, brother.
Rasta, don't follow me.
Yo, the man said for bust the next one.
See what? See what? I can't fish you on this story. Why?
Swear, I start going with.
You know more? I can go and germinate in him.
Yeah. Cut up pepper in a fish.
No, nice swim away.
Make the fish hot.
Swim away. You see how? Go down and rate with the fish.
Yeah, Rasta, so you think for go man, fire for your fish, you know? You have to apply pressure upon the fish. Make the fish get hot.
Alright, man. Well, so I soon can't come again today. I will not talk about it for there. Great, natural grace super powder. The great natural super powder.
What we carry? Show me where you talk about.
See there?
Natural super power.
Where's the mark on it? No grace. Coconut natural super powder.
Natural super powder.
No grace natural super powder.
A beer them they use.
No, I wouldn't care come, you know, use them, use the normal one that grow up on the tree.
It's feeling nice.
What do you mean, man?
That's so nice for sure.
Yeah, man. Feel like when you cut up greens.
But you don't know nothing about that, Rasta.
I hate our some greens, Rasta.
Me? You don't know a green system.
Only greens is Rasta eat. The scallion, the green scallion there.
Yeah,
Rasta
green
now
scallion.
cook no cabbage and no callaloo.
Yes, you know,
No pop chow.
The last time we eat
Listen me now.
callaloo at the morning, the Sunday morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, but me I tell you, say, me
You
not
eat
eat.
callaloo after that?
Yeah, but me don't eat. No matter be the cabbage where you want. That's not nothing for this, because me not eat none.
You like the cabbage?
No, cook cabbage, me no want to.
All cabbage was spring water.
So
Yeah,
you never eat the cabbage the last time when they bully beef over there?
go away.
Over
Yeah,
there.
remember saying the vex that day, them
In
man.
Bex, in Bex.
That's a
And
vex.
But in Bex fiddly, and I'm alone eat it all.
Yeah,
Alright.
He eat about
You
2
remember
dumpling.
big dumpling
The
them?
big mega dumpling them.
yeah. Alright, man.
2 dumpling and 2 pound of cabbage.
Yeah.
When me tell you, so cabbage and something for cabbage and something for
Yes, you like it when you tread.
just almost shred up.
I make vegetable.
Yeah,
I saw cabbage eat best man,
Yeah.
nothing more.
The best way that to cabbage. But for long, say I cook it up. And say, well, I was steam it down.
If you do it.
Yourself, man.
Yes, you don't have to hide that from
You have to
Dodo.
hide that from the kind of kill yourself with fall. Because there's a name that you poop.
Train.
Like bad on that train. Well, listen, man. Show me season.
Ingredients.
I mean, greed men's them. They're not greedy on them. I mean, green men. Because they're green. Alright, so we have this ready.
So Rasta, when you say we are going to country, go link the real Rasta.
Why we Rasta?
The one you say grow and make a puff chalice or something.
Oh, Bingy? You can go there anytime, go link Bingy, man.
So when Bingus find out you start to eat meat, what is that?
Bingy, I eat meat, me coming in and turn Rasta.
But remember saying turn.
Remember Bingy know him.
can't tell me
But
nothing.
remember
He tell
Kev.
himself.
Kev, remember Bingy know him from him eat pork, you know.
Something go to Rasta?
No, you never know nothing name for.
Ah.
That name not go on a yard.
You done it that long time.
Long time, I think you done.
Yo, when you talking to Rasta, you mean I make the people they feel like so when you're big now, you still eat pork, you know?
That him a the-
No, them know say a long time, a youthful days that one.
You never have the locks on your head in time then.
I mean,
Oh.
it just start twine up, brother.
That even you don't know nothing. You can't say anything.
Remember the man after and start linking bingy fiddly. You put on your locks, you know?
And I eat beer veggie chunks.
Who that? You ever taste some veggie chunks and something like good?
Yeah.
The people. I
Yes,
see
sir.
that.
I want bag I my buy for your dog them now.
Yeah, that I right. Somebody you buy it from.
Dog food.
Ah!
Right people them that. Cause them
Watch
that. Watch it. Watch
Watch
it.
out.
Yo,
Killer
Watch
out.
So you roll off.
Jesus, please.
I'll your system for some Bexa now. My
Them
background,
say, anything in life you want to stay off, you go for
yeah,
that.
my background system.
You what?
Need it.
What?
What kind of system?
Background system.
No, man.
Need it.
No, man, Rasta.
Need this part of world to go to.
No, Rasta. No, Rasta.
What
Dash with that.
background system is
Need it? No, man. Man, make Martel Nico get weak. What do you mean by your background system need it?
Need it? Need it? Need it?
Rasta.
Yeah.
You see that there? Nah, go work. You have to fix up that. You have to say something else.
You have think other way, but I think that way. You don't know where I think. Oh, I mean, I don't know where I go. You can't think where you are going. You better know where you think.
Need it.
Because we hiding long time in the
Why?
dark. Yeah, long time in the dark. So you need to come out.
Come on,
You have to come out, man. I can see you.
That's why I have to mind the people they read, they can't get the context wrong, you know. They could have think I come here, come out and class it.
Because me never know cloud to hide.
You have to fix up their words, man.
You have to have lyrics, man. You can't have
Lyrics, the lyrics, yeah, will cancel you.
Cancel me.
Background system.
Needed.
Eat what? Eat what?
Spinach.
No, I never eat, but me would have want to try it. You see the spinach do to Popeye?
That's with Popeye.
This yellow man.
So you know say my seal.
That me see him do on the
Yeah.
cartoon.
You know,
A boat he ever there on.
You know, yeah, one thing I sit now when they bust it and you see it so. And some pigs and see swell up and cold.
Fist then get big.
Muscle get big. And they see what Olive and dry mean so. And they grab Brutus and they send Brutus over.
I live see them muscle them man. Oliver say, wow!
A cartoon man, I war for woman how long?
You think I Tide? So you must know sign of Tide.
From Bible days to cartoon to everything.
First, who first?
Eh?
A Samson first? No, I never Samson in
No,
it.
let's say Samson was the strongest man.
Then woman was in
Who was the
downfall
wisest
still.
man?
Why?
Solomon.
Solomon. And have plenty woman.
And yeah, plenty man.
He never too wise.
And he never know the secret.
He never too wise.
So in
Yes, sir. Yeah, wrong name and get.
He never too wise.
So why was him the wisest
You
man?
have to ask him.
God bless him, man.
God bless him that way.
In terms of knowledge.
Knowledge.
Knowledge. And he still not
So
know
up
the
to
secret.
today, you know, nobody know wiser than Solomon.
Yeah,
No, I
but
doubt
why
it.
Solomon,
I
man?
doubt it.
What I mean,
Listen, man.
Solomon.
Now, care the way you hear about the man them now we have the high IQ and all of them thing there. Solomon I wisest.
So
Man.
why Solomon could be playing on him thing left and then?
Why he could do what?
Still playing on him.
They never need plane.
Wait a minute.
Why?
But in them time they never need plane, brother.
Back then time when them was chariot.
Chariot and them
And
look
donkey.
thing there. Angel a carry news and
Angel?
all of them something there, brother.
What kind of angel? You see all you? More than like 50.
But Rasta.
Wait a them
What
time
do you
there.
mean, sir?
One year angel.
But you may say,
Angel live round so.
But you have to believe in an angel. Because remember, you did believe back then when you said the lady, you say your mother sit down, you know.
Then my mother that.
Oh, you have to believe. You have to believe in
Alright,
an angel
that's
if you
what
believe in
I
them
believe
food
If
duppy.
If you believe in a duppy, you have to believe in an angel too.
Duppy there.
That's why I have to
So you have to believe in an angel?
I'm bad around there.
That is it.
It's a good and
Yin and yang.
Alright. So if you
And it's
believe
a
in
good
a
over
devil,
evil.
you have to believe in an angel too.
The only thing the devil can do is blow a breath. But you better believe say him out there.
Yeah,
Bible tell you this, man.
we believe say out there.
Good and evil there, man. But God we are deal with.
Other than the Almighty, the man who blow breath in a human being, that man they may talk about. No
Yes.
man can grow on him.
Yeah.
So all where they want to try if it do, with them little screechy thing and then they sit when they pan rain.
Feel like them a
I
win.
feel like them a win. God bad on them, man. Remember me tell you, small things are going.
Yeah.
God control all
Rasta,
things.
remember Rasta, if little pain take care first thing you ball out, Lord Jesus.
Then you find him call up.
All who say they don't believe in
All
a
who say
God.
you don't believe in a God. Anything happen to you, our first
Yeah,
man
man.
name. you
Oh
call up.
Yeah,
God.
man.
Alright.
Yeah.
So why general?
I see for this. Not tell you, man.
We not have to call that.
Not tell you, man.
Swim away.
A fish him a cook, man.
Normally we are do them something already.
Where normally you look for? Where you look for?
A fish we deal with.
You go fry yourself. You go, if you deal with fish, you
So
have to.
You don't say mind corrupt, Michael.
Yo, me a say
I
something.
swim my way Rasta deal with.
You mind in
No
a gutter.
fish around here.
You mind like gutter, Michael.
See there? You want to show you? Look on them.
What?
Them not swimming now. But these are swim away.
But Michael, I tell him, say as a Rasta, you know, have no liberty. I should have changed the words and put in the wrong thing, no?
You was a rasta with me. Are you phone on?
You see? Don't come and say we no fool talk to them.
No, but brother. a
No, make the
fish
man
we
them
do
a
know.
tell you no foolishness. But say about me as a Rasta, me say, I swim away them name.
No, from day one day,
I
you
swim
know.
away them call them.
Brother, alright.
And then,
Say
ever,
something.
me ask you a
Hold on,
question.
hold on,
Me I
man,
know
yeah.
you for talk.
Hold on, man. Hold on, man. You have to send your daughter to shop.
Yeah.
Boy, you have to tell your daughter to figure out swim away.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Brother.
You better have that swimmer don't can
bring a fish
don't can no fish come. Cause me tell you
Ah,
better can swim away come. Cause if you can't fish come, she have to go back with the fish. The one when I see. We will a swim away name.
Wait, name auntie, fish or swim away?
You have your fish with you.
Alright. You hear that, Rasta? Fish it is.
Fish it is. Aye. Yo, fish is a fish. No man said that's what him say. Fish it is.
Rasta control. So you cut up the ingredients, them so small, Rasta.
Them looks like-
Think you say half, you cut them.
Then they look small. This looks small, Martin.
Yeah.
You just bust them in half,
I
man.
think you bust them.
Like so.
No, or the next way. Either way.
Yeah, so I think you did, yeah.
But they're too fat, so cause this now will get to soak so fast. That's why I meant to say just shoot them slow.
No, and they mash out to the still, we have teeth in our head.
Yo,
Here people, whole heap of season. Forgot upon the stew pork.
Rasta.
Yo, cut your that, cut that out.
Yeah, cod.
Cut!
Rasta.
A Rasta not dealing nothing like that round now. Every
Michael.
time you come and challenge that talk about this pork.
Rasta.
Yeah.
You see the fish what you do. What do you over here, yard? Me no want that fish what you go do, you know. You make it stay upon the fire, make it
I know me.
soft for how. You see, I know this man
Dalvy.
you written on you.
That's because that.
Why she would have caused it and you are the man?
And I want to cook.
I know me not cook that. Them they come to cook that.
So you say, what happened to the fish, you say?
Yo, that one there was some mash out, man.
You hold it all in your plate.
Yeah,
So
but
what you talk about?
you know you may have
You
said,
never man.
brother, you see too it do. Rasta make it stay upon fire too long, brother. I fish that name, you
You
know.
like your fish firm. You know, the plaka in your
No,
mouth.
so me no like it. I want it. You see my fish?
Yeah.
When I go to boom and deal with the fish the real way.
Yeah.
You see by the time I go and bust it into, suppose you can just take out the bone just so. The bone not even for broke up neither. Can you see when Rasta do it? The bone them broke up, man. Yo, they joke.
I say, mackerel. Mackerel.
You steam it out too much.
Huh?
You steam it out too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rasta, I like that. And enough people me see do that. When them a cook, they no wash them ginger them.
with ginger. You go look ginger for you if that ginger you have. You hear? You go look if you have ginger. Me don't know where my
All level,
I
man.
can't my finger them have to call
This
ginger.
a finger?
Yeah. How are them my name?
Ginger.
Ginger.
Let me see your ginger them, Michael.
Sydney.
Oh, yeah, a finger.
Michael, big
Them a
people,
finger.
man.
Michael, you have about over 70 subscribers where they are big up and tell you happy birthday,
I'm
you know.
nearly 200 big up right now.
Yeah, over 70 same way, man.
And you hear me? And you hear me too? Respect to all who big me up and me strong still. You know what I say? Whole heap of blessings, man. It was a good day.
Heart
man.
of love.
Heart of love to all of my people, yeah? Big up on yourself. One Mortal Adventure TV, you know? Yeah, man.
You know, generally, I make it slide, but I don't make it slide now.
Thief.
A Martel is not Mortal. You think a Mortal Kombat? A Mortal Adventure TV for Mortal. You see, me always tell, do this, your vocabulary is small.
It's Martel. You know, I can say it, you know, it's Martel
Okay.
Adventure TV. I
That
can
is
do
it.
it. I can do
Oh,
it.
wait, you want to watch a new Mortal come back?
I
But
wanna watch
Mortal.
that, I wanna watch- Love my cartoon.
Yeah. A ginger
Oh, Rasta.
ginger ale juice, you know.
That is it. What I beat. You better make sure. Michael, what you say you go here now? That not sound bad. That not sound bad, man. That not sound bad.
Me I tell you, somebody me I go pick up.
That not sound bad at all.
Drop off them.
That not sound bad at all, Michael.
Forward back. You see this here?
You see by the time you come back,
What's gonna happen?
the table turn over and the pot then wash up, man.
No, listen, you see, real friends never go around.
Real friends would have vexed about that. A real friends would have just know say, yo,
Alright, me ask you a
food I
question,
go cook another day.
No, but you see this?
Hello.
This? You see this?
Michael, hold on.
Yeah, me mind on this.
Wait, no, so you never run a boat yet. And you put your money and go and you come in and get none. And
Alright.
I be a virgin there.
That happened, boy. You see today?
Yeah.
You see today?
Yeah.
Me I tell them I eat from mine. I did me want this.
You know,
You need it.
Me,
you know, feed.
me need this.
This.
What?
Which this you need?
Me need me feet.
What?
What you need?
Well, yeah.
You bought it?
What you say you need?
Yeah.
Michael, you bought it fish?
If me born it, what?
Fish.
Me not born it fish.
What you born with?
Huh?
What you born with?
What me born it?
Yeah.
Think about it.
Me, if you think about it,
Yeah.
and me born you.
Think about it, huh?
What you born with?
Me born it.
To me, you say you want your fish.
Myself, man.
You know, buy no sachets.
Where it come from?
Yo.
A clown. A Popeye. A Hi-Fi. A Mos Hi-Fi.
Yo, the water refreshing.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, me nah. So what you know, no? Rasta. He said something.
See where I start going in the pot there.
Laugh.
You really have to what?
Laugh.
Say them.
Just for him say.
Mm.
He been a born with sachets. Do you want to have a been a born with that?
What you born with Franks?
Neither.
Yo, how we ask Big Mike to my yo? All you see all your squiddling, all you never got camera and that mad me. Yeah, the man say, if him born is sachet. No we ask you say if him born is Frank. And what kind of talk that you boy? Yo, me not tell a lie my yo. Me no like that talk to you. Big Mike, die to. What kind of talk that man give you? No bad man no there so Big Mike. No bad
My
man.
police come for me,
Yeah,
brother.
no bad man no there.
All of we are good men.
All the way.
Good men.
We not do nothing for deal with badness.
him say
A
something
food we are promote on the One Martel TV channel as people can eat and call we and say boy. Well, feed. Feed we are feed. You know?
Eat, yeah, eat.
Yo,
And you are
you know what
you
I'm
are
saying?
eat. Yeah. Where? Which way you eat?
I eat meat.
Me say where you eat?
Rasta and the ballad, they no different today. You notice? Rasta and the ballad, them no different
How
today.
you mean the ball is rest and the ball in it?
One I say-
Try to grow on me, but you're not growing it today now.
Fish
Yo.
smoke and come out of the pot,
Yeah,
yeah?
What?
that you are here.
I mean, say it's a bun up today.
You have it fun up.
Oh, you mean Rasta?
Let back liquor.
Put in the curry in a hurry.
Not hurry.
Yo.
Yo, go on, liquor something. Mix something.
Michael, come close, come watch and learn what's going on, man. Come in, Michael. Come see where I'm going with.
You have nothing with it.
Yo, man.
Alright, Rasta. So you do it?
Yeah, watch your style today. Different style we are dealing with now.
I mean,
See,
I saw Rasta do it, you know, man. Rasta at the control.
everything different. And I like how some people get things. You see, Rasta thing different.
Yeah, smell good Rasta.
Rasta at the control.
Yes, Rasta.
Mean.
Mind the edge, mind the edge.
Me alright today, man. Me have them style when I can't see me good.
Yeah, listen too much. Little Uzi. People, you see what I go on? You smell that? Tell me if you smell that. When you not go smell it, and me, I forgot to tell you what I go on, you know.
You smell it in there, because them are run come here.
Where is it? Nothing there for them. Nah, man, me I share. Alright, so 2 pieces of carrot there, so for Dalvey. 3 pieces of Irish and piece of my sweet potato.
How much you get?
Yeah.
Dalvey I share food all.
A little bit share give me.
A three grain of rice you share for more dear.
Alright then, well,
Yeah, man.
1 piece of carrot for her, piece of scallion.
No, swim away. That sounds good.
Alright, Rasta.
Remember that?
Yeah, put in the superpower.
You love catch it.
Never want to fit look at you and train is superpower.
People want to see that?
When the
It's
people,
a Rasta man that use the superpower here.
I want to see them catch you.
a Martel on the TV channel. Yee-hoo! Bring in the yee-hoo superpower. Yee-hoo! Remember me tell you no, him can come and me take it in there, no people. Alright.
Rasta is a Rasta man that use superpower here, people.
Yee-hoo!
Coconut milk.
Cut it for you?
Yeah, man. Alright. It's just try to have to take off this and run down the bottom
Jesus
now.
Christ, everything nice.
Yo,
Jono.
this alone, me not lift up with it and I not get none.
John,
Let me say.
you don't really do that?
Yeah, just long like go down and stay up there and watch me.
You're a wicked fellow.
Yeah, you see there? That one the way water run.
Rasta in a gutter.
Yeah, that was so good.
You know what that sound like?
No man, that not, me no mad. We just sit down on the hedge.
Yeah?
Ridley.
Where you going?
Come clearer to the thing.
Close.
Come close and make you see where my Martel they run the thing. And she say Rasta thing up and running. To the way, you see there? Full of flavor. See there? Look on it.
This.
Yes, Martel, that is it.
That is it, see there, people. So they are dealing with it to the people.
Rasta, you see from me see Martel put up the 2 thumbs.
You see you said?
From me see Martel put up the 2 thumbs them. They gone up. Yes, after the aroma.
For the 2 finger go up, you know, say 11% that gone in. See?
Yeah, man.
11% gone in.
Alright.
Alright, see man put in the little superpower there.
Come in now, people, catch in that style now.
Can't believe it's a Rasta man I use coconut powder. But big up Grace coconut powder same way still, you know.
Wow.
So Rasta, you're not throwing all of that
All
and
right,
that.
going, but you know, you just train everything one time. So
You have to take time massage it, you know.
I'm telling you,
Oh,
just
gosh,
bring in
man.
the thing in I think somewhere else, and then you bring in the rest.
True. You can't put in all that one time.
One time I make it just wagga so. And a wagga you deal with my gentle.
You have to take time put it
And I
in.
love what we have, man. See them now. I take my time.
Yeah, take your time put it in, man. I love.
See
Oh
them?
God, man. Take your time put it in.
I cook. We can't cook. I part of deal with it.
We just a season it.
Yeah. See there? Wow.
Take your time put it in, Rasta.
Watch them style.
Take your time.
So Rasta, you know, put in the one man get purpose and the secret ingredient.
Now last off, man.
One man this season, where they?
They are that's right.
No man, everything goes so. See, you can throw that in there now.
Yeah.
Put in that in.
And Maggie says,
I will move my knife, that's all.
What?
Maggie can get a promotion.
Be a Maggie in use.
Be a theme season me I use and he not give me nothing.
Yeah.
Eh? So if you deal with something properly.
Maggie have to do better now.
Maggie have to do better now.
Check me out, Maggie.
Check me out, Maggie. Rasta. on the Martel TV.
Let me see what I want. Turn it around.
Subscribe.
Which one of them that you use?
Look on it.
You have to turn it upside down.
No, that's the way you want me to. I'm not sick in here. You want me to turn it upside down and throw away flavor. I see it there now. Catch it.
Yeah. That is it.
That is it.
Check me out.
Check me out. On the One Martel TV. Subscribe. Up and love it. One Martel TV. Straight. One dodo.
Hee-hoo.
Hee-hoo. See it there? Hee-hoo. Mad. Remember, when Steve up and going like this.
Like that.
Just like that, brother.
Yes, if it's not going good today.
You might take time and go on better and better each time, you know?
Yeah.
Pass the learning stage and graduate.
Got it now. Yeah, look good still.
You graduate, Asta.
Yeah. Graduate.
How them they look to you, me?
In my way, then I look alright, you know. Go and pink on top of
You say you like the colour?
No, I burn the colour there. Scoop up the thing in,
It's good old green up.
Yeah. Okay, this is general. See it. See it?
Like how you deal with them fish, you know, Asta.
Swim away today.
You want you slip up, Rasta? Swim away today.
Like you want to go down more than I tell you. See it? See it?
Yeah, you want to do that, yes. You can flip them, you know?
Nah, flip them. Nah, flip nothing. I flip it up.
kind.
Well, yeah, taste it.
Me good, man. You
Good.
taste it.
Dollar kind.
Wait, I will not know dollar kind.
Leave me.
Fi flip. And you have to about Rasta fi flip. Why must flip? You swim away?
So, Rasta, just to say, you should put in more water, I tell you, do.
No, I like a last. I don't know what it is.
So, you cut up the next pepper night?
No,
You say, no more pepper.
Yeah? Pepper the pan, the swim away when you season it up after it and cut
And then you cut up, so 2 pepper night?
Yeah, man.
Oh, we're good to go then, man.
Alright.
Alright then, man.
Just go and wait and
That is it. No, man, you need for shut down for draw down.
No, you not draw down, so more spring that spring.
Make it go and draw down after that, not ready yet. You follow me? Alright. You stay there and know. You stay there and know when your pot ready.
That's how spin the ranking.
You for tell me what I go on.
I try to lift off the pot, but
I know you drop it like when you nearly drop a curry chicken.
I know you were tapping that pot, listen.
But I know you were dash for a curry chicken.
But you're tapping that feel.
Which one worse?
You want to tap in now?
Yeah.
Yeah, a foot. You put
A
your
foot.
foot in that.
We still name them pieces.
Yes, you eat it. Then you cook it for you, have to eat it.
I mean, tapping it, I mean.
tapping
So,
it. Hear them.
hear them, man.
Hear them. Watch this now.
I first sizzle at me here, no?
Yes, sir.
When the pot done, something wrong then, man.
Nah.
Sauce enough like it. You call it Rasta?
Bread.
Which bread?
What?
One tough crackers you talk about bread.
Then shall put some crackers in there then. Like my face.
Man say bread.
Yeah.
Bread for your flour, yes, but not bread right now.
Crackers in there that make it bad.
Crackers we are dealing with right now.
I sure them I see what them are going with.
Do your thing.
Don't fit?
That is it.
What them are going with you now. They say last gonna afford back.
Boy, I don't know. Let's see what I go on with, you know.
Work at the utensil, the Iraq flag unification.
Where I start?
Flag unification. 3 man the TV, channel TV. Martel, squeeze the ranking. Lasco is not here now. He's sieving out the road. You don't know where my sieve set today?
Yeah.
And he don't know when we there on the channel. He just sieve past a while ago.
Yeah.
And my big mic. You know if there on the channel and he
If it there.
There. I know say why yes I'm massive today. Not on the road. And God save, but I have to give thanks and praise him. Because without him don't save, he cannot make no money to buy gas to save.
Yeah, man, fi eat by the sweat time, bro.
He must eat by the sweat of his bro while he's saving.
Must do a Rasta?
He eat his food by sweat of his bro while he's saving.
Alright, sir. The first set of fish them this me see you cook will come out water.
Yes, they look good.
Michael say always I make them mash out.
That's a Michael.
I lie, Mattel.
Lima tell.
John, when my
When
lion.
Michael getting fish over there over yard where they won't get. Proper fish.
Swim and wear.
Swim and we ain't get over there walla.
Nice fat water fish.
In a big plate, and when he get in, he go back, go deep in the pot and say, wow! Yeah, right.
This look good still fits.
Yeah, man, go on good.
You said the one for Michael? I know one on you say.
Big Mike.
Mike.
You want big man come here, you don't get nothing.
Last time I crackers, don't it?
You say I put some gumption on your crackers?
Yeah. Huh?
Yes, sir. Shout out the gum.
Wow. Rasta. Think you don't say one prayer.
That just asked you me here, say what I think I yaga say it in a martel.
No, he must start prayer for.
Our Father, which art in heaven, all way be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done. And let us bread. Give us this day, Father, that Father, speak food we provide you today. And bless it in the name of Jesus. Amen.
Amen.
Yeah.
Up and running.
Big up yourself, Rasta.
Yeah, fit seat, yeah? Good look.
Oh, God, man.
This is the Rasta one. Right, look.
Gummy.
Click it.
Go me.
Go me. Click it. Right, this can't hold on so quick, brother.
Yeah, fits. Fiddler. Fits gone.
Tell me what I go on.
You want to hear him. He must sleep. Tell him where I'm at.
Rasta gone today, you know?
Oh, today alone you go on, Rasta.
Lie, Matthew. All the while.
Fiddler. Listen, anytime the Rasta meal them, we go on good. They may not like, you know, but anytime the other meal them.
Perfection when you do your Rasta meal them.
Alright. Yeah.
I lie out there. Anything me do, it's up and
Go on
running.
well today.
Well, we not dig here, so.
So I go on good fit.
Alright, Rasta. You hear that? You're on your way to Zion. Rasta, and just pull the first lock off a Zion gate for
Then
you.
get pulled long time.
You are, they lock you out. Right now you're the outside. I say, please, let me in.
When you go and things, they lock him out. But
Don't lock me up.
much get in there.
I'm going to let you in now, Rasta.
If you go at me, that I'm going to Zion.
Where?
That you can't enter Zion.
You say you don't have strength.
You're not no friend.
Yeah, Rasta, but it's a go on, no? Enjoy.
No, I can't rock.
That is it.
I tell you fit.
Active.
Yeah.
Fully.
No, no,
So where I start going over here.
no.
Where I say you not start here down the fish yet.
Swim away.
Eat up the fish, man.
You can't tell me what to do. I mean, I do my
But you don't know how it is. You tell me say 10 out of 10 and you not test it
I
yet.
first we do it.
I must say,
You have to test it, Rasta. You can't tell me no lie.
All right.
Gotcha.
Test it first.
Fits, but only thing I know you're going to say fiddly, a little pepper, but.
Yeah, man. I cut a piece of pepper.
Nice.
Nice. You say fish eat good?
Swim away.
You done shake your head already. You're done.
You want can't drink me, sir.
You're done shake your head.
Can't drink me.
What want to
Can't drink me.
do? Word of the day.
You're not there.
Can drink.
What you
Yeah.
want there?
Can't drink me.
It's nice.
Yo. Alright, people, man. I test my one and on, so it are going to fit nice for real.
Nice, man.
Where?
You run a little puppy for. Give me rest, man, Rasta. That's him
You
tonight.
want a light and you want to take up.
Light,
You just want to smoke.
Rasta.
Yeah.
Visual presentation.
Up and running.
You see food them when you see, look so in a plate, mucky. When you shear it properly and it look mucky so you know so the flavour turn up in it. You see if the food don't look so, you know you good, man. I tell you that.
Yeah.
So, what
test
I'm
that,
mocking there?
Just look how the thing look now, man.
I know
Mush,
that,
mush.
man,
Tick up, man, I tell you.
you.
muck.
Custard, man.
You tick up and look mucky. That's easy.
Real
Test these
cooked out.
crackers you know with all our flavours.
Anything you want, yes, it is. Three. With all the Irish potato, and the sweet, you see sweet potato, bad. The yellow belly one, mad. And if it's a carrot,
Rasta here. Rasta here.
what is it? A carrot where you cook down now? You don't want no pepper more.
Hold on. Like, you know what I give you a review, Rasta. Just say,
That's how you hear in the pan.
You can't get a review, man. I have to just go and enjoy.
You're here. You're here, man.
Yeah.
Turn up.
It's
Yeah.
a slap.
Yeah.
What? It's a slap.
Next one, we have up on the next one, we like the
Yo.
crowd up on the river
You
side.
see your fish though?
Yeah.
Hot like you lick when I used to give me one time, I used to blow it, the condense me go to the refrigerator, me a picnic.
You want some bigger fish.
Hot your fat.
Bigger fish on the sticky up on the river side, go deal with.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bigger one.
Then,
A slap rasta.
yeah, the food go on good,
A
Rasta.
slap.
Mm-hmm.
There you
regular, you get it. Today, 10 out of 10.
Yes, on the regular and pass. In drop on your face before you cross.
No, sometimes drop is standard, but
No,
today,
yeah.
standard fly to the roof. I feel like I agree super powder them when you use.
The truth that you super powder, I love it. I tell you if you don't handle love, you cannot do it that is nice.
Potato then sweet like sugar.
Yeah.
Emma? You don't know what you're missing.
See. Here's the vlog done.
I don't have no more review for you. I'm going to tear down my meal now. Let's catch up on our next epic adventure. What's which way you say we are going for your next adventure?
People, right at this moment as I'm talking, if we're not going to Egypt, I will be there. If we're not going to Jerusalem, I'll be there. So, anywhere who no send if the channel I got there, I will be there.
That's so.
That's all.
Alright.
So, let's subscribe on the Mad Martin TV. Straight love, up and run. See there? Straight!
You see this?
Yeah.
Let me test the carrot.
The carrots are good for your eyesight.
You like the amount?
Watch it again. I say I do it? How you going now?
No.
No, reverse it now.
Yeah, come forward. Come this way.
Yo,
Go this way.
Yeah.
Rasta,
Yeah. Right
see?
side, yeah.
see the menu here today? This is lovely. It's crackers, right?
Eh?
It's crackers.
Right. Look, we have behind them up on top. That done up behind him. Eh?
Yo,
Eh?
I want different I see him fish this year.
You see? Don't you come to about there get sea fish over here this soft? Eh? You ever get fish with soft? Which fish you get with soft? Tell me.
Me, if it's not try fish,
Yeah. I'll go and feed.
I will have fish on him.
Run.
Run?
Yeah.
I know me, my run.
Are you know you want to do? I saw Squidly that go like how you are going up. You remember? Yo, two men have the same style. You are Squidly.
You see,
This a man said this past more than 10.
you see this? No joke. Rasta, you get score for this. Mid-year score. I'm not telling you the number.
Alright.
What do you get?
Yeah.
They say Ghana lead.
Oh, it's on your mic,
Big
Alex.
Hey-hoo! Give that sound there now. Come in night.
What time is that one?
Hey-hoo!
Nice, Mike.
Nice. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I love it.
That is it.
Blessings in a chef.
Yeah, you mean up there.
Mm.
You tell them say, more time.
Yeah.
I say things say. You just work out on the right day.
And you like one, huh?
Yeah.
I tell you.
But look at now, you tell me say you're so forward. I'm more than 2 hours you take to come here and I'm in the general. Where are we swap on the road that's it so?
In better know if lead one and eat it and
Yo,
give me
I cheer with
review.
this now surf for a while ago then I would have just give score for what you that say, you know. Just like when you just talk a while ago, you know. Ask him when me tell him.
How much you need to have upon this?
You hear?
What
The
do you
3
mean?
Martel Adventure TV and you make 4. So you'd have left out.
Me?
You'd have left out if you didn't forward. Lucky,
Yo.
lucky.
Right now, we're not telling a lie.
A 4 man food surfer today.
Right now, we're not telling a
4
lie.
Adventure Martel TV.
Big man thing, you see
Yeah.
this?
Yeah.
I'm look at it. I'm dinner this.
Hey, are you what?
I'm dinner this.
Mother.
You say I lock it up.
Huh?
Yeah.
See file paper, they don't make it
No,
real.
but I worry about me, I eat it.
Yeah, that is
Turn
it.
up a road, youth. You know, same thing we look about in my youth. A proper fix. Proper look about. Right in the public. Nothing hiding. Very clean.